If you've incurred a business expense, whether it's hardware, travel, meals, or anything work-related, you can submit it directly through PACE for approval and reimbursement. Click Expenses under HR and Financials in the left sidebar. You'll land on the expense tracking page. Here you can see all your submitted expenses filtered by project, status, type, and whether they're billable. The filtered total on the right shows the running dollar amount. To add a new expense, click plus New Expense in the top right corner. The expense management form opens. At the very top, you'll notice the AI receipt scanner. If you have a photo of your receipt, click Choose File and upload it here. PACE will use AI to automatically scan the receipt and pre-fill the form fields for you, saving you time. If you're filling it in manually, start with the project drop-down. Select the project this expense belongs to. This is a required field. Next, select the expense type. Options include hardware, travel, meals, and more. Pick whichever matches your expense. The date and time is pre-filled to right now. Adjust it if the expense happened on a different date. Enter the merchant name, for example Delta Airlines, Home Depot, or wherever the expense was incurred. Enter the amount in dollars. The milestone field is optional. Only fill this in if the expense is tied to a specific project milestone. The assigned user will already show your name by default. You'll also see a checkbox for Is this expense billable to the client? This is checked by default. Leave it checked if the expense should be billed to the client, or uncheck it if it's an internal cost. Scroll down. You can attach a receipt or attachment if you haven't already used the AI scanner at the top. Uploading a receipt image will also trigger the AI OCR to try and pre-fill any remaining fields automatically. Finally, add any notes or description to give your manager context about the expense. When everything looks correct, click Save Expense. Your expense is submitted and will go to your manager for review and approval. You'll receive a notification once it's been approved or if any changes are needed. You can view all your submitted expenses and their current status back on the expense tracking page at any time.